The courts have created confusion.
The fight over redistricting continues with an appeal to the state's top court.
The point of Prop 4 is to not gerrymander.
I'm Ben Winslow on Utah's Capitol Hill. An appeal is not exactly surprising, but lawmakers are also planning a special session of the legislature and a constitutional amendment that could set limits on citizen ballot initiatives.
By design or by default, Judge Gibson has authorized the most partisan and thus the most gerrymandered map.
At a news conference on Tuesday, Republican lawmakers announced plans to appeal the redistricting ruling to the Utah Supreme Court. Lawmakers maintain they have the sole constitutional power to draw boundaries in redistricting, while the Citizen Initiative Proposition 4, which has been upheld by the courts, allows for an independent process. Voter rights groups sued the legislature, accusing them of improperly overriding Prop 4 and passing a gerrymandered map to favor Republicans. Judge Diana Gibson rejected the legislature's map and chose this one that she says follows Prop 4, but the House Speaker says it's had problems.
Utahns deserve a stable and predictable system, not one where court-driven delays and demands reshape the future of our state.
The governor plans to call a special session that could fix candidate filing deadlines and other issues lawmakers have with Prop 4.
I know a lot of people are upset at the judge's decision. I think it was a wrong decision. And what you do when you get a decision that you disagree with is you appeal that.
A constitutional amendment is also in the works that could set more limits on citizen ballot initiatives.
What the courts have essentially done is said, you cannot amend anything, you cannot touch anything, which it is very rare as humans we get things right on the first try. We have to have that ability.
The governor signaled some support for the idea at his monthly news conference.
It's going to be important to understand the details of what a constitutional amendment would look like.
We've been here before with Amendment D. It was a clear attempt to kind of pull power away from the people in response to not liking what the people were doing and saying. And that is why you have a judiciary.
Emma Adams is one of the plaintiffs in the lawsuit over redistricting. She says they're prepared to defend Prop 4 again.
We've done everything we can to protect your constitutional right, to alter, reform your government, to basically be the voice of the people, the people that the Constitution gives the power to.
The special session of the Utah State Legislature is scheduled for December 9th. On the Hill, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.